Hey, what's up, y'all? This week we're going to do a practical DIY. We're going to create chalkboards out of picture frames. It's really simple. It takes very few supplies, and it can be handy in many areas of your home. A study, a kitchen, just about anywhere that you need to write things down. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. First, you're just going to go ahead and take each frame apart. You want to remove it to where you have the three pieces: the frame, the glass, and the backing that comes with the frame. And if one of the prongs ends up coming off like one of mine did, don't worry about it. The frame still has enough prongs to hold everything together. Then you're just going to take the frames outside and spray paint them. Make sure you're in a well ventilated area. You don't want to breathe in any of the fumes that comes from the spray paint can. Add a nice even coat, and if you would like to wait until it dries, then you can add a second coat, but in my opinion it's not necessarily needed. Just make sure that you don't get too close, that way you can avoid spray dripping, and go slow and move evenly. The next thing that you're going to go ahead and spray paint is the glass. Now you want to just go ahead and use the chalkboard spray paint and make sure that you A, have cleaned the glass before you start spray painting, and B, spray evenly. This is sped up because I definitely did not go this fast, but take your time. So if you're going to do this design, make sure that you actually tape off the entire half of the glass, unlike me, because then I had to go back in and use some water and clean off the extra spray paint. It was not hard. It came off really easily, but just save yourself some time. So for the first piece of glass that's now a chalkboard, I'm using washi tape to section off 7 areas because I'm going to use this one as a weekly planner. So just take your washi tape, try to work as evenly as possible. Something I would suggest that you do is that you actually use a ruler, which I did not. I kind of eyeballed it. Once I finished, a couple of the sections were a little bit bigger than I would have liked, but it'll be okay. So just use your washi tape, section off each area, and then you'll go back through and assemble the frame. One thing that you will do before you assemble the frame is prime the chalkboard so that it'll be ready to actually be used with chalk. So you just rub the chalk over it, kind of smooth it in, and then it'll be ready to go. For the second board, I am using this pink travel washi tape and kind of evening out that line because my line was not straight when I spray painted it, and sectioning off the top half of the glass and the bottom using this washi tape. Now, once I assemble this one, I'm actually going to use the picture that was already in the frame to be a design at the top half, and it looks really, really pretty once everything is assembled. And this one is just going to be like a to-do board. And if you have a specific picture that you like better than the one that's inserted, you can definitely use that. And here's the finished project. What do you guys think? I think they came out really well, and they are so practical and will be put to use every day. I hope you guys make these and enjoy them as much as I will. Alright, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video for this week. It was really short and quick this week because there wasn't a lot to do to complete the project. And I really liked the DIY and how it turned out. And I'm glad that you guys were able to join me for another week. Keep staying tuned because I want to keep growing this channel bigger and better. And I would love to start getting any input from anybody that's following me, as well as I would love for you guys to continue sharing the videos so that way we can just continue to grow. If you guys don't share, we stay very small. So I appreciate you guys for being DIY clubbers with me. I hope you guys hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it. Remember to leave me a comment down below. And thanks for continuing.
Leave me a comment down below to your reminders.
Siri be talking when nobody's talking to him. Anyways, I hope you guys will continue to stay along with me, and I will see you guys next week. And remember, I hope that wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you guys are having a great week, and that you guys keep creating. All right, bye.